Welcome back to the Thai Airways International Jet Ski World Series 2019. Coming up next, highlights from the Post Sport GP, the Pro Runabout 1100 Open, Pro Freestyle, and the Pro-Am Endurance. Up first, there we see the starting line. And the Pro Sport GP highlights were underway. Coming to an early lead there is Chris McCluggage from the United States, craft number 30. But McCluggage was having problems with his craft, so he came out of the race. And that put Farthing in the lead from the United States, craft number 1. Second place, Chris McCluggage. And third place, Supak Setara from Thailand. Remember, of course, these are highlights from the different motos. Fourth place, Tapatarawat from Thailand, craft number 451. Fifth place, Joichiro from Japan, craft J76. And the champion from the United States, Farthing, craft number 1, champion in the category. Jet Ski World Series 2019 Pro Sport GP, Joichi Kitano after round number 3, 126 points. Supak Setara in second place, 108 points. Third place, Christian Miller with 105 points. Hayden Skellett from the United States, fourth place with 89 points. And Christian Daly from the United States, 72 points after round number 3. And presenting the World Cup, Dr. Kongsak Yotmani, the Governor for Sports Authority of Thailand, to the winner, Farthing from the United States. And of course, the trophy to the champion of the World Series 2019, Joichiro from Japan, being presented by Thai Airways.
Thai Airways, as title sponsor of the Jet Ski World Cup 2019, we would like to extend our warmest welcome to all the teams and all the fans participating in the tournament today. And best wish, good luck for the rest. And for the fans, enjoy the games and enjoy your time in Thailand.
And with the next races, here we go. The Pro Runabout 1100 Open, some highlights from this race. Supak Setara from Thailand taking the lead there, but he's passed by Permpun. Permpun now in the lead. Craft number T79. With second place, Supak Setara, craft T52. Third place, Book from Thailand as well, craft number 5. Fourth place, Supatat, also from Thailand, craft 45. And the champion, Permpun Tirpatpanit from Thailand, taking home the trophy, the championship. There you see, after the final round of the Pro Runabout 1100 Open, Permpun Tirpatpanit in first place, tying with Supak Setara, both of them 113 points, but it all depends on the last moto. So there you see, Permpun taking home that trophy. Book Samsuwan in fourth place, Julian Dux from Germany in 4th place, and Chowlit Gujaroon from Thailand rounding up the top 5 with 84 points. And presenting the World Cup to the champion, this is Scott Fraser, president of the International Jet Sport Boating Association. And the champion of the World Series, Pumpon, receiving his trophy. Highlights from the Pro Freestyle event. There you see 3rd place Mark Gomez. This, of course, is one of those events that everybody sits around and waits for because you see lots of things that normally people would not dare to do. Flips, backspins, one-legged. There you have it, a whole lot of fun and entertainment for the crowd. Mark Gomez putting on a great show. 2nd place, Lee Stone from the UK. Also wowing the crowd with twists and turns. And of course, backflip, double backflip, and the champion Taiji Yakamoto from Japan putting on a great show with lots of activities. There you see single-handed, single-armed, single-legged, and more twists and spins. No hands on that spin. And of course the moves that won him the trophy this year, double backflip. So there you are, the final round, the standings. Lee Stone, 173 points. Taiji Yamamoto from Japan, 108 points. Mark Gomez, 3rd place with 101 points. Al Abdullah Badar from Qatar, 4th place, 91 points. And Terumaza Okamoto from Japan, 69 points. The Pro Freestyle Jet Ski World Series 2019. Presenting the World Cup once again, the president of the International Jet Sport Boating Association, Mr. Scott Fraser. And the champion of the World Series 2019, Lee Stone. There you see him with the trophy. Pro-Am Endurance Open highlights. The dash to the jet craft. And off they go on this endurance race. Long distance, 35 minutes of racing plus 1 lap for all the craft on the water. The leader, Pastorello, coming around the grandstand. And we'll have to see who actually ends up with the trophy after this endurance competition. Number 8 still there, Pastorello. And the checkered flag goes to Pastorello from France, the champion. And after the final round, there you have Pastorello Jean Bruno from France winning with 159 points. Mike Klippenstein from Canada with 126 points, followed very closely behind by Nicolas Chamond with 124 points, Philippe with 87 points, and rounding up the top 5, Aksa Sultan Azwar with 79 points. That's the Pro-Am Endurance Open. And on behalf of Thai Airways, the World Cup being presented to John Bruno Pastorello. And the champion of the World Series, Pastorello, there once again, this time the trophy being awarded by Mr. Scott Fraser. And there you have it. Those were the results of the Jet Ski World Series 2019. And we leave you now with a review of all the champions from these activities and events over this past year. The Thai Airways International Jet Ski World Series 2019. We hope to see you again next year for this same event. In the meantime, here are the champions. Pro-Am Ski Stock, Abdullah Alamadi. Pro-Am Ski Superstock, Phil Seegers. Pro-Am Women's Ski Limited, Lucy Gadsby. Pro-Am Runabout Stock, Troy Snyder. Expert Veterans Runabout Limited, Zolt Zicke. Expert Ski Limited, Sultan Isa Alamadi. Expert Runabout Limited, Zolt Zicke. Novice Ski Stock, Ryder Wildboer. Novice Runabout Stock, Arvidas Pekaktuskas. Junior Ski 13 to 15 Stock, Severi Salonen.